And India is steadily emerging as a key player in the global AI landscape, shifting from code services to intelligence creation. Backed by major investments, supportive policies, and a vast talent base, 2026 positions the country as a rising AI hub. Our next report has the details.
India finds itself at a defining convergence of policy, massive corporate capital, and demographic muscle, effectively positioning the nation as a formidable global hub for AI. No longer content with merely servicing the code that runs the world, India is now on the path to building the intelligence that will define it. The shift is perhaps best quantified by the staggering flow of capital. In what is being termed a watershed moment for Indian tech, major global players have placed bets on the country's AI potential. Microsoft has committed $17.5 billion to India over 4 years to expand AI infrastructure and cloud capacity. This isn't an isolated move. Google has followed suit with a $15 billion commitment specifically targeted at establishing AI-ready data centers. These investments are not just for maintenance, they are for creation, signaling that the focus has shifted from experimentation to large-scale deployment. While Silicon Valley giants provide the capital, New Delhi is providing the rails. The government's India AI mission, with a budget exceeding 10,000 crore rupees, has moved from cabinet approval to execution. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget announcement introducing a 21-year tax holiday in return for setting up data centers in India was designed to boost growth in the AI and IT spaces. This policy could do for India's cloud and data center ecosystem what the IT services incentives did in the early 2000s. If data is the oil of the AI age, talent is the refinery. According to the Stanford AI Index report, India continues to lead the world in AI skill penetration and talent concentration. With an aim to skill 20 million Indians by 2030, corporate giants like Microsoft are stepping in to bridge the readiness gap by creating a workforce capable of navigating the complex layer between AI algorithms and real-world application. For NVIDIA's CEO, India is one of the few countries with the data, talent, and the market scale to build its own AI future.
India not only welcomed data center companies to India, but also build data centers in India by Indian companies.
From powering tax systems with Gen AI to deploying autonomous agricultural drones, India is moving from an adopter to an innovator. In 2026, that future looks less like a prediction and more like a plan in motion. Bureau Report, DD India.